In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset or recover Gmail account password if forgotten. To begin, open your web browser and go to Gmail. This will take you to the Google sign-in screen. If you are on a device where your account has been used before, you may see a list of accounts. Select the account you want to recover. If you do not see your account listed, you would normally enter the email address, but for this walkthrough, we will continue from the account selection screen. After you select the account, you will land on the password page. Since the password is forgotten, do not spend time guessing. Instead, click in the password field area so the recovery options appear clearly on the page, and then select the option that says Try Another Way. This is the key link that moves you from the normal sign-in flow into account recovery. Next, Google may offer a passkey option. If you see Use Your Passkey, click it. A passkey is a secure sign-in method tied to your phone, computer, or security key. If you have passkeys set up on a nearby device, this can be the fastest way to regain access without needing your old password. If you cannot use a passkey, look for Try Another Way again and click it. Google will cycle through other verification methods depending on what you previously set up on the account. Continue choosing Try Another Way when you see it until you reach an option that you can complete. Take your time here, because these screens can look slightly different from one person to another. When you reach the identity verification page, click the highlighted verification choice shown on screen. This is the method Google is offering at that moment, such as confirming a prompt or continuing with a recovery step. On the next screen, click the highlighted button again to proceed. Make sure you are using a trusted device and a familiar network if possible, because Google may block recovery attempts that seem unusual. Finally, when you see the option labeled Text, select it. This requests a verification code by text message to a recovery phone number on the account. Follow the on-screen prompts to receive the code and continue the recovery process. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.